Hey, what's up guys? New camera, Sony Cybershot. Okay, let's see. Watermelon zooming, fairly decent. High definition. High definition, my friends. What an age we live in. What else? How about... Yes, it is a pink camera. It's the only one they had, and this does not make me any less masculine than I was before holding it. What if I move? Gandalf, long time, my friend. It's been a while. The sunlight. Oh, look how gooey. They're so gooey and delicious. I don't even like them. See, I was thinking of stuff, and stuff is good, but not all the stuff. Not every stuff. You know what I'm saying though? I love that. And now, in great light comes great responsibility. There are people outside. Why, hello, my friend. Look up at my advertisement. Look. Look. Damn you. Indeed. Indeed. Okay, we're done. Aren't I beautiful? Am I beautiful? How beautiful am I? Are my teeth white? Ha ha ha. What the fuck? It's like all this fuzz. Fuzz everywhere. What's up with the fuzz, yo? What's up with fuzz? I don't like fuzz so much. Do you like it? Reggie sighting. Reggie sighting. Cats exist. Cats exist.